Hey there, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make afrobeat in FL Studio for Buju Bxnxn. First off, I'll be starting off with a simple chord rhythm. Now, you don't have to start with chords, okay? I simply start with chords today. And a common choice for chords for making afrobeats, especially for Buju, right, is the electric piano, okay? But you can also use grand pianos, bells, guitars, or soft sounding synths, okay? So let me use an electric piano for the chord progression. All right, so now we have nice sounding chords, okay? And I'm going to make a simple counter melody to give you more rhythm, okay? For making counter melodies, the common choices of sound still remain grand pianos, electric pianos, bells, that is like kalimba, marimba, and the likes, right? Electric guitars, there's electric jazz guitars, acoustic guitars, and synths, soft sounding synths. And maybe sometimes some wind instrument like flutes can also work, all right? Now it's time to get into the drums. Now it's always best to start with a simple rhythm and then you can gradually build and layer the sounds. I'm going to start with a simple rim shot pattern and then I'm going to add a kick and then some percussions and maybe a shaker loop. Okay, so now back to melodies, but first I'll be using a high pass filter. I'm going to cut off some high end from the chords to make it sound, softer. 'Cause I think it's sounding quite harsh at the moment. All right. Now I'm going to play some more melodies, okay? These melodies will have to be simple and most importantly, connect with the drum so I can help make this production sound even more groovy, all right? All right, so I've spread the beat out a little bit. I've created an intro, created some verses, created a hook. So let's listen to it and see how it sounds. Get this beat from scbeatstore.com. Click the link in the description. scbeatstore.com. Get this beat from scbeatstore.com. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and hit the subscribe button to keep up with more tips and tricks. Cheers.